The question I got asked this morning is, how do I know if someone submits more than one Google form response? I'm going to show you the answer in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all this content for you. All right, here's a Google form. This is really pretty easy. There's not a whole lot of magic you can do here. It's all under settings right here. This is a Google form, whether it's Google Workspace or basic Gmail, doesn't make a difference. I go to settings and you can see right here. Here's the answers. Number one, collect an email address. Now, can someone use multiple email addresses that they have access to? Yeah, probably they could if they wanted to do that. Additionally, the big change is if I want to limit one response, then I turn this on and then they must sign into a Google form. But the easiest and the only clear answer I have is to collect email addresses. And that way I can look in the responses and I can see how many times someone responded with that email address that they're using. You can see right here 3 examples where I used 3 different email addresses. But that's the magic right there. Collect the email address. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.